Hello guys, I welcome you all to my channel Creation Modeling. So this is the third video of the beginner series. In this video we will learn some different new features in order to draw our sketch more efficiently and more precisely. So in the last video we just interact with the SolidWorks interface. In this video we will draw some basic figures. So first of all we will define the unit system. If you are going to open the SolidWorks for the first time, then you will ask that which unit system you want to begin with. So there are there are different units. For example, you can see here. So once you select that unit system, that will be your default unit system. But don't worry, we can change the units at any time. If you are, for example, by default you have CGA system, but you want to work with But if you want to work with IPS system, you can simply click on the IPS system. But keep that in mind that you need to change the system before drawing sketches. If you have drawn the sketches, then you will find it difficult to adjust the sketch. So now we will begin the sketch. We will draw in front plane. So here is our circle command. Okay. So I will draw some more lines like this and like this. So you can see the unit system we are working with is millimeter. Now I will select smart dimension. You can see there are different dimensioning commands, but we will select smart dimension. Click. Now in this dimensioning tool, you can see by default the length of the line is 19, but you can give it any dimension and the other sketch will adjust according to this line. For example, here I am giving it 5. Okay, now you can see the length has not changed, but now it is 28.4 mm. But if I give it, for example, 20, this line adjusted according to this line. Similarly, by default it is showing 20 mm is the diameter of the circle, but if I give it 50, it will get large. Okay, so you have to be very careful for assigning the first dimension. If you assign, for example, this large circle 5 mm and then you assign this line 20, then it will go beyond the screen. Now there is a new feature to this smart dimensioning. For example, you want to change the dimension of this 5 mm. You simply double click it and you can put it 10. Now you can see that dimension has been changed and the length has also been changed. Click OK. Now you can see this dimension is in millimeter. But suppose you have some sketches in which some dimensions are in millimeter and some are in some other system. You can easily convert the dimensions from other system. For example, you want it to be 5 centimeter. You write 5 centimeter and you click OK. Now you can see here the dimension is showing 50 millimeter because 5 centimeter is equals to 50 mm. But it will be shown here according to this system which we have selected. Similarly, if you say it, you can say 3 inch, you write it and you click OK. Now this is showing in 3 inch is equal to 76.2 millimeter and you click it here OK.